1,448 Peer-to-Peer Markets Round-Up, record volume across Canadian and Latin American markets in recent weeks. The peer-to-peer Bitcoin markets of several Latin American markets have produced record-breaking volume, with the Localbitcoins markets of Chile, Peru, and Venezuela producing all-time highs for trade volume in recent weeks when measured in local fiat currencies. The Canadian markets have also produced a dramatic spike in volume, recently setting new all-time highs for the number of bitcoins traded for CAD on Localbitcoins. In recent weeks, the Localbitcoins markets of several South American countries have produced record-breaking volume, according to Coin.dance data. The Peruvian peer-to-peer markets have produced all-time highs for Localbitcoins trade volume when measuring in both in fiat currency and Bitcoin. The last 2 weeks have comprised the 2 highest volume weeks in the history of the Peruvian peer-to-peer Bitcoin markets. During the week of the 26th of May, Peru's Localbitcoins market broke its previous all-time volume high of 80 BTC, dated from December 2015. After producing 106 BTC worth of trade in a single week, the markets then produced 88 BTC worth of trade during the following week of the 2nd of June. When measuring against fiat currency, the week of the 26th of May saw $2.7 million worth of trade, approximately $830,000. Volume surges across Latin American peer-to-peer Bitcoin markets. Chile's Localbitcoins markets produced a new all-time high for trade volume when paired against fiat currency. The first week of May saw nearly $234.4 million Chilean pesos, roughly $370,000, worth of BTC exchange hands via Localbitcoins. The Venezuelan Localbitcoins markets have set a new all-time high for the fiat value of weekly trading activities for the 12th time in 14 weeks. However, the continual establishment of new volume records is a testament to the intensity of Venezuela's hyperinflation, as opposed to being indicative of a sudden significant spike in Venezuelan demand for Bitcoin. During the week of the 2nd of June, approximately $6.9 trillion bolivars, roughly $3.75 million USD, worth of trade took place in the peer-to-peer markets of Venezuela with, however, 529 BTC worth of trade, making it the 13th strongest volume in the history of the markets when measuring the total number of Bitcoin that changed hands. Canada sets new peer-to-peer volume records in fiat and BTC for the week of the 19th of May. The Canadian Localbitcoins market suddenly spiked to produce new all-time highs for weekly trade volume when measured against both BTC and fiat currency. Canada's peer-to-peer markets produced $12.13 million CAD, approximately $9.33 million USD, worth of trade in a single week, dwarfing the previous record of $8 million CAD. When measuring trade in BTC, the Canadian Localbitcoins markets also smashed its previous record of 909 BTC with 1,265 BTC worth of trade. Do you think that the Latin American peer-to-peer markets can continue to rally? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Images courtesy of Shutterstock. Coin.dance. Why not keep track of the price with one of Bitcoin.com's widget services?